How to make money with QUORA. Hello, I'm Jason and I'll be showing you how you can start making money with QUORA. In case you don't know, QUORA is a forum on which persons go to ask questions and also to share their opinion and find answers to those questions. So it's completely free to sign up. You can use your email address or your Facebook account to sign up. Now, how are you going to make money with QUORA? Well, once you have signed up with QUORA, what I would recommend you do, depending on the niche that you are planning to target, you would go onto Facebook. And let's say, for example, you're going to sign up and you're going to target persons that are talking about Photoshop and would like to know information about Photoshop. So you would search for questions. For example, you would go onto this channel right here, and you would simply search for the same questions that they are targeting on YouTube. You would search for them on QUORA, and once you have found a related video on YouTube, all you'll do is simply copy the YouTube link. But not only that, not only will you copy the YouTube link, as you can see, majority of the time when persons answer a question on QUORA, they tend to write a few words before, like for example, you would break down the answer. So what you're going to do, right where you see the three dots right here below the YouTube video, you're going to tap right there, then tap on show transcript. Once you have selected show transcript, the video that you're watching, this transcript will show up right here, and you're going to tap on the three dots right beside the X, and you're going to toggle off timestamp. Now that you have toggled off timestamp, you can copy this information right here, which is the information that he's talking about in the video. You will simply copy the first part as you want to use it as an introduction when you're answering your question on QUORA. After you have copied it, you're going to paste it on QUORA, and then you're going to go over to URL shortener. You can use R7 URL short, or what I recommend previously in a video, you can use shrink me. And this is how you're going to start to make money and get paid. With shrink me, depending on the amount of views you get and where you get the views from, you can earn a lot of money. So you're going to get the YouTube link and you're going to paste it right here and shorten it. Once you have gotten the shortened link, you're going to paste that in QUORA with a portion of the transcript that you have copied. You can copy the first 3 lines of the transcript, as all you'll need is the introduction, and you'll tell them click here to watch the rest. And once a person taps on your link on QUORA, you'll be getting paid by shrink me. And as you can see right here, you can earn up to $220, as it all depends on the country that the persons watch your link from. And if I were to tap on payout rate, it all depends, so you can target different persons. It all depends on the country. If someone were to tap on your QUORA link, and from Greenland, you'll be able to earn $22, as you can see right here. From Ireland, you'll be able to earn $16. And the thing that I like with Shrink Me is they pay daily, and you can also get paid via PayPal. So this is a good way to earn PayPal money easily. So again, all you'll simply do is sign up to QUORA, choose the niche that you want to go in, whether it is the health or the wealth, any one of the niches that you would like to go in. Find questions that persons are asking on QUORA. You're going to go over to YouTube with those questions and search for them. Once you have found a video related to the questions that they're asking in QUORA, you're going to tap on the 3 dots right below the video, and you're going to open the transcript. But you only want to copy the first 2 or 3 lines of the transcript, and you're going to use it as an introduction to paste on QUORA to the question that you're answering. Then you're going to copy the YouTube channel URL, and you're going to go over to shrinkme.io, and you're going to paste the link right there. And once you have pasted the link, you're going to get a shortened version of that link, which once someone taps on that link, you'll be getting paid. That's it. So all you'll have to do is simply put your link right there and you'll get a shortened version. And again, it's completely free to sign up. This is one of the easiest ways to make money with QUORA. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.